Hello there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on in to the video. Hi guys, today we have another Boxycharm unboxing, and I think their boxes got smaller, which I love because we didn't need all that extra wasted space. This is my July box, if you were wondering. I do get the base box, not the luxe, not the premium, just the base, and that's what we're going to be opening today. This box does retail for $25, and everything in the box is probably going to retail a little over $100, but we'll find out at the end. So let's go ahead and jump on into it now. 1, 2, 3, voila! Hello, Charmers! Okay, so let's see what we got. What did we get? What did we get? We got to see our theme for the month, of course. That's what we got to start with. And I don't like to spoil anything, so I'm not going to look at the card. I'm just going to show it to you, and let's see what... Oh, it's a really pretty card, actually, this month. This is the Fanta Sea, you know, as in, like, the sea, the ocean, you know. Yeah, you get it. It's funny. It's a little pun. I'm loving it. It's a beautiful card. Okay, super duper cute. Now let's jump on in to the box, and the first thing we're pulling out is this. What is this? I do not know. This is the BDB Billion Dollar Brows. Oh, and taupe. I'm definitely not taupe. I'm like a deep brown to black, so don't really know why they gave me a taupe. Don't love that, because I've already answered their survey thing, and I definitely didn't say I had taupe eyebrows, but whatever. We'll probably pop that in a giveaway or something. That's fine, you know, just a flop starting it off. We love that. We don't love that. So what is next? What is next? We have this. This is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Plumping Liquid Highlighter? Interesting. Okay, so I guess it's going to make your lips, or not your lips, sorry, that's what I would think of plumping. No, it's going to make your cheeks plump. Do we like that? Apparently we do. Our Grande and Grande Glow, different brands, I'm hoping, because I tried a Grande mascara that was supposed to be like a cult favorite, and I hated it. Like absolute trash. So I hope that's not the same brand, because I'd be scared to put this on my face if it was. But I think they're different. Let's hope. Next, what do we have? What do we have? We have this. This is a mud mask, okay? I don't really like masks. I've been over this before, but that is fine. Maybe it's not a mud mask. Vitamin infused eye serum. Oh, it's an eye serum. It's not a mask, guys. Hooray! I will use this. I need a new eye serum anyway. This is the Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming Eye Cream, and I am super excited about it. So, yeah, I don't mind getting an eye cream. I do mind getting masks because I just never use face masks. Next, we have this. And this is the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles Detox Hair Serum. Okay, we're talking about our hair. I love anything for the hair. Y'all know I'm going through a hair journey, and if you didn't know, you know now. Also, there's a plane in the background. Why is it always so noisy in my house? The world may never know. But anyways, I love anything for the hair, because my hair does need moisture. It needs, you know, life. It needs a lot of things, and it just doesn't have it. So hopefully this will bring it to me. This is the Detox Hair Serum Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. Okay, I'm okay with this. I'm excited to try it, you know, whatever. It doesn't say a whole lot about it, but let's see. Conditions your scalp and reduces dandruff. I don't really have dandruff, but you know, that's fine. Argan oil. I love argan oil, so we're happy about that. Support and strengthens hair follicles. Yes, it does, and I love it so much because of it. Almond oil soothes flaking and itching of the scalp. Oh, okay. I don't really have a problem with my scalp usually, but nice to have nonetheless. I'm never mad to get a hair product in the box, I'll be honest. So our last item is this, and this is what I picked, and I'm super excited because this is the Alamar Bronzer Trio. Oh my god, I've been actually wanting this for quite some time, not gonna lie. So getting this in the box was definitely a perk for me. Boxycharm isn't always a bop, but I mean, this in itself for me is a bop, because I believe this retails for around $25, and you're getting all these other goodies. I mean, I didn't really need any of the other goodies this month, but you know, it is what it is. But look at how, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is beautiful. These colors are gonna look so good on me, especially this deepest one. I think it's gonna be a beautiful bronzer for me. And honestly, the other two will work well as well because I am so fair and this was the lightest palette they had. I'm super excited about this. Alamar has some great quality stuff. I have one of their eyeshadow palettes that I'm like obsessed with, and I've heard some really great things about their blushes and their bronzers, so I'm really excited to try this out. But now let's go ahead and count everything up, see how much everything retails for. Alright, so starting off we have the Alamar Bronzing Trio, and I was right, this does retail for $25. So right there, you're paying for this and the rest of the box is free, basically, if you want to sum it up that way. But that is definitely a good deal for me. Next, we have the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. This retails for $79. $79? No, honey, I would never. I love getting hair stuff in the box. I'm not mad about it at all, but I would never spend $79 on this. That is absolutely ridiculous. Next, we have the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This retails for $63. Holy guacamole, we have an expensive box this month. This better knock my socks off. Honestly, I don't think I would pay that for an eye serum ever, but you know, to each their own. Same with the hair thing. If you love that hair serum and you've bought it multiple times yourself, I'm not judging you. I'm just saying I personally would not spend that on it. I just don't spend that much money on hair care or skin care, really. I don't even know if I'd spend $79 on something makeup-wise unless it's like really good makeup. Next we have the Grande Cosmetics, and I think this is from the Grande brand. I might just pop this in a giveaway because I just really didn't like that mascara. I don't know if this will be good or not, but this is the highlighter and it retails for $25. You know, I'm not mad to get it in the box, but I just don't think I'll be using it. I don't really use a liquid highlighter all that often anyway, so I don't know. It's probably better to pass it on to somebody, honestly. And then we have the $1 Billion Brows. I don't feel like I'm going to be able to use this because it is taupe and not a deep brown or black. So I don't think I'll be able to use this, unfortunately, and this retails for $16. So I'm going to use my calculator really quickly to add everything up and see how much this total box retails for. Wow, okay, so this box comes to a whopping 208 doll hairs. Oh my goodness, that is so much money. I don't think it was worth it. Personally, I feel like if it wasn't for this palette, I would be really upset with this box, but this palette makes the box for me, so I'm really not mad. I will say nothing else is screaming to me. I'm excited about these two things, I won't lie, but it's not something I would have purchased on my own, especially not for those prices, but I probably wouldn't have bought them even if they were affordable, just because I don't think I need them at the moment. But if this hair serum is amazing, I might change my mind. And also I do need a new eye serum pretty soon. I'm running out of the one I have right now. So maybe I would buy this, but not at that price at all. Maybe on Boxy Pop-Up, you know, when it's like $5, but not $63, I think. No. The other two items I don't think I'm ever going to actually even use, so that's kind of a flop for me. However, I can gift them to people or put them in future giveaways, so at least there's that. I like Boxycharm because sometimes I don't get things I'll use personally, but I can gift them to others, and that kind of makes me happy because at least it's not going to waste. And I mean, still for $25, it's a really good deal getting everything in the box, so I'm not mad. I do have a code with Boxycharm and a link, and I'll leave it down below in my description box if you want to, you know, sign up for Boxycharm or whatever. It'll give me charms, and I think it gives you charms as well. That's like their money, so that way you can buy things from their pop-up shop or their add-on shop. So, you know, it works for both of us or whatever, but if you don't want to use that, that's totally fine. So that's going to do it for me today. I think this box was kind of a flop. Let me know what you guys think, but that's going to wrap it up for me today. I hope that you have a wonderful day and stay beautiful. Mwah.